are the Italians, the Spaniards, the Belgians, the sort of Chinese, the Indians, the Tanzanians, the Egyptians, and everybody else who is looting the Somali waters. And guess how much they take away every year in free fish? $500 million every year. And so the country is big enough and rich enough to be able to provide a decent livelihood for all of its citizens if it's managed properly. But the international community, neighbors, don't want Somalia to stand on its toes. They want Somalis to be needy and to be beggars.
dhibaatooyin kaloo